Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve feedback on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve feedback on Instagram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this lets you enter to the window or to the app of Instagram, and you can click. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.